Hi guys, this is Zionhublogistics, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to create a geegpay account through your mobile phone. All right, now if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, this is Zionhublogistics, where we make money, we talk about how we can make money online, and we also talk about mini importation at large. So in today's video we are going to be dealing with geegpay and what are the benefits of getting a geegpay account. So as a freelancer, you can get a geegpay account to receive your funds. Maybe you work remotely, or you work in your country and you work for US, UK, and when it comes to payments, there are some issues when it comes to payment. So geegpay account gets you covered. You can easily get to create your geegpay account and you receive your payments in there. And the benefit part of it is you get this done within a jiffy, and they get you your USD virtual account, your UK virtual account, and your Euro virtual account. So once you have been able to create this account, you'll be able to receive money into these accounts locally and internationally. And you will also have the access to sell to the black market rate, at the black market rate, for you to earn more money apart from you working as a freelancer and as a affiliate marketer. So it is very good for the importers too, where you get to have access to their virtual cards. I believe by now they have their virtual cards, so you can easily use their virtual card. We all know that we all, as a Nigerian citizens, we have difficulties in making payments online these days with the $20 limitation. So with their virtual card, you'll be able to fund this card, then make your international transactions. So let me quickly take you through the accounts, my previous accounts that I have with these guys before creating my new account. So this is what my dashboard really looks like. You can see the transaction that I have done with this website, and coming to their dashboard, this is what it looks like. And you can see, let me click on my account. You can see that this is my USD virtual account. You can see it here, and they also give me the UK virtual account. So with the details of all these accounts here, I can receive funds internationally from anywhere. Let's assume you are working in Opay, or you are working with remotely. You can easily copy these details, then they pay you. So all that having been said, let's dive into the video. Now this is my browser right here. So all what you want to do is to enter the website name, which is geegpay.africa. Then you click on go. All right, so with this, by the virtue of you doing that, it's going to take you to their website where we arrive here. So all what you want to do is to scroll down, then you click on open an account. So to do is to enter your legal name. Make sure the legal name is the name on your valid ID card. So all what I want to do here is to enter this name here. And once I'm done, I enter my email address, which is this. And once you are done entering your email, what you want to do is to create a password. Make sure this password you are creating, you'll be able to remember it, because we are going to be needing it for you to log in. Then you input it again. So you can see that this is my password. Your password must have a special character, and it must start with capital letter, so you won't be having any issues when it comes to the password. So all what you want to do next is to click on continue. I'll be dropping my referral code if you want to use my referral code for your registration. So you put my referral code here, then you click on continue. So once you are done with this, a email will be sent to the email address you dropped. So once you input this email address, the account will automatically verified. So once this account is being verified, it's going to take you to their main dashboard. And once it takes you to their main dashboard, we are going to be doing a few settings. So after waiting for a few minutes, here comes the confirmation code that was sent to my email. So once you input this code, it's going to verify your account and takes you to their dashboard directly. So you click on submit, and this is what your dashboard will really look like. So once you are done with this, congratulations, you have been able to, we are on the halfway. Do you get it? So now here comes their exchange rate for today. You can see that they are buying at the rate of, they are buying USSD dollars at the rate of 748 naira, and they'll be selling it for 760. So this is really good, and I love this price, because once you receive this dollar in this account, you'll be able to sell it at the black market rate at the rate of 760 naira. So there's no need of you going to the malams to exchange this money anymore. And the same thing applicable to their pounds, and the same thing applicable to their euro. So once you have been able to get here, congratulations guys. So what you want to do is to authenticate your account and do some few settings. So you come to settings here, and once you get to settings, all what you want to do is to edit your personal details and click on your beneficiary. Once we are done with this, we move to the next step. So what you want to do now is to click on personal details. You click on this pencil icon to edit some details here. So you fill in your date of birth. So once you have been able to fill in this date of birth, the next thing you'll be filling is the state. So I click on, so after filling your date of birth, all what you want to do is to select your country of residency here. So I'm a Nigerian, I'll be filling in Nigerian here. So this is Nigeria, so I click on Nigeria, and this signature, you input your full name, since you can't use this to sign. So you just fill in your full name, and the next thing you want to do is your phone number. So you input your phone number here, and your nationality. So I'm a Nigerian, so I fill in Nigerian here. And your occupation is the next thing. Your occupation, you can just choose something random. I'll be putting in a freelancer. I'm a freelancer. And what you want to do next is to select the contractor type, which I will leave in as individual. Do you get it? So if you want to upload, you need your utility bills. Do you get it? To fill in this address and your billing address, postal address. So once you have been able to fill this both, you will upload your utility bills to confirm this address. What do I mean by your utility bills? It might be your water bills or your NEPA bills, but it must carries your name. So should in case you don't have any of this, the best alternative is your bank statement. Once you download your bank statement, you come here to click on upload a proof of address. Every bank statement carries the address of the owner of that bank. So all what you want to do is to upload. And once you are done with all this step, you are going to click on save. You can see save right here. So you click on save. Do you get it? So So the next thing you want to be doing after this, you can see that request successful, it has already been saved. So all what you want to do next after you fill in all these details is to come to beneficiary. You can see that this is your normal profile here. We have already filled in everything, and all what you want to do is to click on beneficiary here. Do you see it? Now I leave this passport number because I don't want to use international passports to verify this account. So there is a space for you to use your NIN. As a Nigerian, you can use your NIN. So just click on this beneficiary right here. If you want to add your beneficiary, this beneficiary simply means your bank account, your local bank account that you want to withdraw this money into directly. So all what you want to do is to click on this bank transfer, then you select the currency here as naira, since this is Nigeria. So all what you want to do is to select the country. So you can see that these are different countries here, and presently I believe these are the supported country by this website. So they support UK, Togo, Portugal and other countries. So I click on Nigeria. Then all what you want to do is to choose the account type. So is a local bank account, as I told you earlier. So the recipient is a person, or is it a business account or a normal person's account. So I click on personal account, and you fill in your bank name. So you can choose any of this bank name here, and once you fill in, you choose, let me just choose access. I'm not filling in this. So once you have been able to fill your bank details, you fill in your account number and the name on the account, then you input your geegpay account, then you click on continue. So let me quickly do that right now while I pause this. So once you are done filling all these details, you just click on submit. So once you click on submit, it's going to automatically add the bank account. You can see right here that this bank account has automatically been saved. So once I receive money as a freelancer, maybe from Upwork, or you receive money from abroad, maybe someone send money to you directly and you wanted to withdraw it to your local bank account. So with this account you added, you'll be able to withdraw it directly. So what you want to do next is to click on security. This is where we get to set up your password and two-factors authentication. Do you get it? So once you have been able to do these three basic settings, which is the profile, the beneficiary and the security, you are good to go to use your account. Do you get it? And make sure you are not filling in the wrong account details. If you try to use someone else's account details, it is not going to work, because it must be the name on your ID. That ID card must carry your name, and it must tally with the one on your bank name. Do you get it? You can see, let me go back to profile right here. You can see that these names are correct. You can see all the details here. Do you get it? So if you are having any issues, let me just go to the dashboard now. So if you are having any issues concerning this, you are free to DM me. I'll be dropping my number. And lastly, after your account has been verified with the necessary informations and the documents you have provided, all what you want to do now is to create your virtual account. You can see right here that you can have access to these 4 accounts by default: USSD, British pounds, then euro, and your NGN wallet. So what you want to do is to click on this 3 icon here at the left hand side, then you come to my account. You come to account. You can see that I haven't been creating any virtual account. So all what you want to do is to click on create a virtual account. Do you see right here that this is what I'm saying the other time? Now they are telling me to complete my profile setup to get a bank account. So once you have been able to complete all these steps, you'll be able to create a virtual account. So all what you want to do is click on verify your identity. So it's going to take you to this step. So all what you need to do is to click on ID verification to complete your profile. Remember, we did not complete the profile the other time. So what you want to do is to click on ID verification, and these are two different things they needed. So it's either you use your NIN or your ID card, or you use your international passport. So for this video I'll be using my NIN. So all what you want to do is to click on this blue icon here. So you click on use NIN. So once you use your NIN, it's going to be bringing you here to select the type of ID you want to use. So I click on select country here, then I put Nigeria. Then you can see that we have NIN slip here. You click on your NIN, then you click on submit. So it takes you to this page where they ask you to provide your NIN information. So all what you want to do is to click on allow. You can see right here that it's telling me that I should request for my camera access. So what they will be doing now is to, once I do this, once I request for this, it's going to be having access to my camera for me to take selfie. So once this is being able to capture your face, then it takes you directly to where you are going to be inputting your NIN. And once you input your NIN, then boom, you are good to go with the verification. So once you have been able to verify this account, you go back to your account, then fill in your details. Once you fill in your details, the next thing you want to do is to create your virtual account. So if you verify your ID card and you verified your, that's, I believe that's it, just the two major aspects of their verification. Once you use your face to verify your identity and you upload your NIN number at that the ID page, the next thing they urge you to do is to upload your utility bills address. So I told you to upload the bank statements. Once they verify these two accounts, your account is good to go. So you just come to my account here, you click on my account. So clicking on account will takes you here where you will have access to create those virtual USSD accounts, then your USSD account, then your UK account, then Euro account, and your Nigeria bank account as well. So these are the four type of accounts you will be able to create with this geegpay. And once they activate this account for you, you'll be able to receive money through this account. I show you the transaction that I've been able to do with this guys, and my experience with them is very, very lovely. I received the funds and I managed to sell it at the black market rate, and I withdraw my money to my local bank account. So all what you want to do is to follow this step-by-step guide till the end. So if you're having any issues, you're having any challenges, or you want me to create your account for you, what you want to do is to send the message to me on WhatsApp or comment at the down screen of your button. I will see you in my next video.